I'm Robert Escher, and you're watching LivingPianos.com. What an extraordinary Steinway Model A from 1901. We just masterfully rebuilt this. The good news is it's got the original soundboard. Wait till you hear the sound, the rich sound this produces. Everything, the action, the pin block, the strings, the gorgeous refinishing job. So I'm going to start off with some music for you. And the very first thing is a gorgeous second movement of Beethoven's Opus 10 number 1 Sonata. And this is one of my favorite slow movements. I hope you enjoy it. You know, that was a really good choice because you can hear the fine control, the singing sound on this piano. Action, medium weight, medium to light, very responsive, as you'll hear in something a little more upbeat. And this is the first movement of Debussy's Children's Corner Suite, Dr. Gratis ad Parnassum. And if you wonder what kind of odd title is that, well, the Children's Corner is a reflection of Debussy's life, and he has all sorts of things from the circus, Jumbo's Lullaby, the elephant. Well, the first movement, Gratis ad Parnassum, were actually Clementi piano exercises that Debussy had to endure as a child. And so he kind of uses that theme of an exercise to create this beautiful music. The Model A at 6 foot 2 inches is such a great size because it'll fit almost anywhere. And yet you get the rich, rewarding sound and an even scale design. Some people say the Model A is one of the most perfect scale designs of Steinway. When you think about the fact that this piano originally, no doubt, got delivered to its first owner by horse and buggy, it's just remarkable to think that now future generations can enjoy this piano. Let's close out with some Chopin. What piano demo is complete without Chopin? The B minor prelude. Such a rich, rewarding tone and absolutely magnificent hand-carved furniture. I mean, what's not to love in this? And as time goes on, there are fewer and fewer examples of the kind of workmanship that was possible when the piano was in its heyday over 100 years ago. Once again, Robert Estrin, livingpianos.com, your online piano store, free delivery anywhere in the continent of the US. And we have pianos going all over the world, from London to China. So if you're interested, contact us here. We're here for you. See you next time.